So first we'll add our mochiko, which is the glutinous rice flour, and then the cornstarch, and then the sugar. These are all the dry ingredients for our mochi. Just make sure those are well combined. And then we'll add our water gradually as we keep mixing. Just want to make sure it's combined until it's smooth. And then you just want to place a paper towel on top, poke a few holes in it so that the steam can come through. And then we'll pop this whole thing into the microwave for 45 seconds. Now we've taken our mochi out of the microwave. Just want to give it a good stir, folding it for about 30 seconds. Even a little bit more is okay. This is the part that gives the mochi that nice chewiness and texture that we love. And then now we will pop the paper towel back on there and into the microwave again for another 45 seconds. Now we've taken the mochi out of the microwave for the second time. Pop it off. And this time we want to add our butter in. And mix until that's fully combined. And that's good, and then you're just gonna set that off to the side to cool. So now you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then you want to take out your matcha cookie dough. I'm just going to cut along the edges here. So now we want to form our cookie dough balls. They should be about the size of a golf ball. Put that in your hands. Roll it and place it on your baking sheet. Now you have all your cookie dough balls set up. We'll move on to the mochi next. So now we'll take our mochi, which has cooled off. You can put it onto a cutting board or just any surface where you can cut it up. I like to wet my hands slightly to prevent sticking. Just flatten it out. And then you'll take your knife, which you'll want to make sure is also slightly wet to prevent sticking, and just cut this into 12 roughly equal pieces. So now you'll take a cookie dough ball, flatten that in the palm of your hand. About that thick. Take a piece of mochi, you're gonna stretch it out a little bit so that you're gonna get the mochi all throughout the cookie, not just the center. You place it in the center here, and then you'll just fold this in half. Make sure it's fully sealed or else your mochi is gonna ooze out while baking. And then just roll this back into a ball. And place it back onto your baking sheet. You just repeat that step for all of the other cookie dough balls. Now that we have the cookie dough and the mochi inside, we're just gonna put on the white chocolate chips to finish them off. I like to put about 5 or 6 per cookie, up to you. That just adds a little bit of sweetness. Now we'll pop these into the oven for 12 minutes.